Grand Awakening Libra by Air Babies. Positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, magic and money all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Book a really good massage with me. Check out the music, the NFTs, the ebooks. Great products are there. Your word of the day is the divine fruit. Libra, you look good, you smell good, you taste good. You are rooted in solidarity, meaning your roots are the truth. You want to find out what your fruits are like, judge the fruit by its roots. What are you embedded in? Positivity, spirit. They want to evolve you to the next level because not only do you trust spirit, you trust yourself, and you've been putting in the work. The gymnast of the zodiac. You might shake, you might get frazzled, you might get frustrated, but you always know how to balance yourself to move forward. And we want to thank you for that. Being a great example, because we're copying you. As I work to improve and free myself, I strengthen my foundations. My intellect is light, my heart is warmth, my soul is strength, and I'm nurtured by the divine sun. The fruit I bear reflects my inner light. Let that fruit that you're bearing, let it be the most lit, the most light working light that can be extended to the earth. Leave the dark in the past. You outlived your dark and shadow side. You balance that out. Lead with light. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.